Hi parents! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing quick, healthy, and picky eater approved toddler meal ideas that you can make fast, even on busy days. These ideas work for toddlers who say no to everything. Let's get started. 1. Hidden veggie pancakes. Blend 1 banana, 1 egg, a handful of oats, and a small piece of carrot. Cook small mini pancakes. They look like normal pancakes, but they are full of nutrients. Perfect for breakfast or snacks. Serve with yogurt to dip. Toddlers love dipping. Number 2. Veggie cheese. Quesadilla. Take a whole wheat tortilla, spread a thin layer of soft cheese or hummus, add finely grated veggies like carrots or zucchini, and top with cheese. Fold and toast. Slice into small triangles. This is great for picky toddlers because the veggies are soft and hidden. 3. Rainbow snack plate. This idea is for kids who refuse full meals. Make a mini snack plate with 4 to 5 colors. Strawberries, cucumber sticks, boiled corn, cheese cubes, whole wheat crackers. Kids eat better when food looks fun. Add a small dip like yogurt or hummus. 4. Mini veggie pasta. Boil small pasta like elbows or shells. Mix with a little butter or olive oil. Add tiny cooked peas, carrots, or broccoli. Sprinkle cheese. Simple, soft, and easy to chew. You can blend veggies into the pasta sauce if your child refuses chunks. 5. Protein smoothie for toddlers. For picky eaters who don't eat enough protein, try this smoothie. Half banana, yogurt, 1 to 2 strawberries, oats, and a little peanut butter, if no allergy. Blend and serve in a fun cup with a straw. Toddlers drink what they won't eat. 6. Soft veggie rice bowl. Use leftover rice, add cooked lentils or soft veggies and mash slightly. Add a little butter. This is great for Indian desi families. Easy to digest and toddler-friendly. Bonus tips for picky eaters. Serve tiny portions so the child doesn't feel overwhelmed. Always add one safe food the child already likes. Avoid pressure, no eat this now or one more bite. Keep mealtime fun, small bowls, cute forks, or food cut in shapes. Offer new food at least 10 to 15 times before deciding they don't like it. Thanks for watching. If you want more toddler meal ideas, comment more recipes below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another parent. See you in the next one.